Hello, my name is Trizah Milugo. I'm a PhD student at the CPE, Kenya. I'm also a lecturer at the Technical University of Kenya. So this is my lab space. This is where I do my research for PhD. But today I want to talk about my science engagement project, which I started in 2018 with students in Western Kenya. The project basically aims to create awareness on malaria causes, prevention, and control strategies to high school students in Western Kenya. I found that question a little bit tricky and difficult to answer. I was a child then. I hadn't started school, so I'll give a good guess. Given that I was born and raised in Western Kenya, I think that during this period I was busy acquiring infection and developing immunity towards malaria, and that's why I'm here today, because I survived it. As a child, I wanted to become a medical doctor, but as you can see, I'm currently pursuing a career in biochemistry, and the rest is history. I want to share with you my story. As a child, I suffered from various bouts of malaria, and therefore I know what it means to have the disease. In fact, in Africa, a child dies of malaria every minute, and therefore it's not surprising that most government interventions are geared towards protecting this particular group. However, this by itself is a problem, in that the youth also suffer from malaria, only that they have acquired immunity and can cope very well. So when they get infected, they are asymptomatic and therefore do not seek any medical treatment. This way they act as reservoirs and ensure that there is continuous transmission of the disease within the community. Breaking the wall of malaria transmission will require collective responsibility, and the youth have a role to play in it. My science engagement project has three phases. The first is our mentorship project, where we have a team of faculty members from various disciplines to provide career guidance and one-on-one mentorship to the student. The second is a science in action demonstration through practical and basic research activities borrowed from my PhD research project. And the third is a science-based conversation through debates, creative writing, drawings, and drama. So I started this project because I wanted to make a difference, and the main goal is to transform students into malaria ambassadors in their immediate and distance community. What surprised me the most was the level of creativity of the students. Actually, the ability to bring out what they've learned through artwork was really amazing. And one of the drawings that I found intriguing is where the students displayed the use of public address system as a way to educate the general public on matters malaria. My project is unique because I tried to marry both science and art to make it very interesting and educative at the same time. And actually, I worked with my friends to help me implement the project, and we really had fun. One of the key findings of my research so far is that high school students will prefer the use of social media as a form of public engagement. We didn't foresee this, and actually I'd forgotten that this generation will prefer the use of social media for engagement, maybe because they prefer it because it's accessible and easy to use. So what I'm thinking of right now is how to bring my project into the social media platform, and that is what keeps me awake at night.